right, holding 1.5 mils left.
Sending.
Send it. Impact. There you go.
Looks like I was right edge.
Right edge. Perfect elevation.
Make that shot. Make that shot. Reload as quick as you can. Put 2 in the big guy on the close barrel. Ready? Go.
Yeah, like Samuel walked. I've been very surprised by mine. I hit it, but not the flap. That was a flapper, dude.
Yeah, we heard
I
that.
saw it move. Holy crap. There you go. Yeah, dude.
Up. Send it. Hit. Send same. Yep. Hit. Same. Same. Hit. Same. Hold just off left edge. Up. Send it. Hit. Same. Send it. Hit. Same. Send it. Hit. Same. Send it. Hit. Same. Send it. Hit. That's freaking awesome. Wow. No, he was running that bolt gun so good that I don't think you could outshot it with a semi-automatic. Because you gotta wait for the bullet to get there, get the feedback, and by then he was ready. All right, give me 0.5 left.
Sending.
Send it. Hit. What?
I'm getting it in wind even. Woo, woo, woo!
Shooter on.
Water up.
Sending.
Sending. There you go. Impact. We got a little wind.
I love this rifle, dude. This thing makes me so happy, it's insane. All right, one more, same target.